I want you to see some of Erik's pictures. So he photographed the ULA launch this week, and he sent me one that I particularly like because I'm not used to seeing images.
This is the rocket. And
That's
what's
it.
interesting about this shot right here
Yeah.
is it was triggered by another launch. So there's a Falcon 9 launch a pad away. So that's my
Oh.
camera at sunset when this one's going off, taking the picture of that.
Man, we put up so many rockets now. All right,
So yeah, this is the rocket lifting off. So we've got the rocket.
Ooh,
on
I
the
like that.
pad.
I'll go back one.
Oh,
Ooh, I like that.
yeah.
I like that view. That's
Thanks.
nice.
That's one of the cameras that was capturing that sunset. You got the new engines. These are new engines, actually Blue Origin's engines that are on the ULA rocket because they used to launch Russian engines. So they built in now where they're launching US engines on the rocket. There's a closer shot of it.
Oh, I like that.
Off.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Ooh, those are good.
And this is an interesting launch. So like I said, that one triggered my cameras.
That's funny.
And then this is one, that same view with the sunset behind it, just at the ignition when it's first starting out. And then a little later on in the launch. This is a telephoto shot from way over at the press site, back to it. A couple others.
This is the one that I like.
Where I've like really underexposed just for the flames. This is actually at 1/8,000th of a second at night. So that shows you how bright this rocket is.
Wow.
That you're shooting f8, 1/8,000th, ISO 100. And that's the exposure you're getting out of it.
Yeah, those are really interesting. You don't see that particular look very
so
often.
the engines were like the star of the show. These are new engines. These are American made. So really wanting to focus on there. This was the second. That's actually, it looks like the moon up there. That's the second stage launching up, and then it's lighting the contrail of the rocket up in the upper atmosphere. So there's
Same thing here.
Yep. And then this one, where this is the camera I put right next to the flame trench where it blasts out everything.
How many cameras total?
5, 6, 7.
Seven
Seven.
cameras. That's a lot of
So
cameras.
this is just a very old cameras usually. There's DSLRs. But you could see like that was it, ignition. And then this is it blasting the stuff towards my camera. And then that's the next frame. So you can see how it just progresses. What's interesting about that is very caustic. My camera's all protected. That's like acid rain that's raining down on your cameras, basically. And that's basically a few frames after this kind of cleared out.
Oh, yeah.
And then he had that.